Centrotherm now offers an alternative clamping solution for your residential 2, 3, or 4-inch InnoFlue installation. Introducing the horizontal hanger. This clamp easily and securely provides code-required support to your vent system in horizontal orientations. To install, simply pop open the clamp, place around the InnoFlue vent, and re-secure with the teardrop opening. Once closed, use a Phillips head screwdriver to fully seat the screw. Using any standard construction hardware, secure the hanger to the floor joist above. This hanger can only be used in the horizontal. Centrotherm's IASH support clamp or a similar clamshell style clamp must still be used in the vertical. Any change in direction must be supported within 12 inches of the change, and the vent length must be supported every 39 inches thereafter. Centrotherm's engineering department has approved this hanger for use with InnoFlue vent systems, and the approval letter can be found on our website.